Our journey of fitness and self-love have been dangerously independent from one another, where they are revolving around the self as opposed to experiencing an authentic journey of self-love. We cannot evolve in our spirituality if we are stuck in superficiality. We are either never satisfied, gain it all back, or we use other forms of enhancements to compensate for the lack we experience inside of us. I know this experience personally, from eating disorders to being highly competitive, and it took almost losing my life multiple times before I came to learn what I stand for now. Before you start a fitness journey, or before you continue, let me ask you this one question. Why are you doing this in the first place? A journey of self-love is truly experienced when we are present to who we really are in all of our forms. Our four bodies, physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual, must all be considered. We must find alignment amongst all four in order to experience the balance we need and are actually seeking within us to create a life full of joy, love, and peace. These are true results. A practice that integrates the mind, body, and soul accelerates true transformation that is everlasting. The relationship we have with our body from a place of self-love is sacred, not superficial. My step-by-step process in the Journey to Rise online experience has considered every single challenge and roadblock I have personally gone through in the last 34 years of my life, and that my clients have shared with me in the last 13 years, and that have proven results and created transformation at the core. The Journey to Rise online experience provides a process that considers the reality of what it actually takes to achieve the inner fulfillment we seek. On this Journey to Rise, we rise together.